Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shree and today with me is Rola Khalid here to share her experience of taking hypnotherapy sessions. Over to you, Rola.
Yes, actually I'm very happy to be participating in this small talk. I mean, I came here with an insomnia problem that's getting a bit better. The sessions are really good. They make me feel comfortable and at warmth. And sometimes the sessions are intense. So when you leave, you have like a bad feeling. If it has triggered like a bad memory or something that's stuck in your subconscious, but you have to still think that actually that means that whatever you are doing is working, and hence to continue. Because there are other sessions, like for example, we've done a session today that is super positive, and that gives you like very nice vibes. And honestly, with Dr. Shea, what I like about her, what calms me, is her voice. So when actually I'm a bit anxious, I remember her voice and it calms me down. I have to admit that there are certain voices in life that actually have this power to calm the vibes of others, and I think you're one of them.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so that gives me, that makes me excited to come to the sessions, because I know that she's gonna understand me. She's gonna actually, if I have something, she's gonna listen to me, etc. And what I like about you as well is that you keep caring about the subject, even if you're not having a session with them, but you keep following up with them.
There's a lot of personal touches.
Exactly.
I do care.
Yeah, and what I think as well, what's a bit tricky is that I'm someone who is very strong in my mind, and she noticed it from the first minute. So she knew that it was very hard to convince me that these sessions would work, and I felt it. I knew that she understood that point, and that gave me comfort, because I felt that actually she understands that I'm not just gonna surrender because I just hear hypnotherapy is good, etc. That actually I need to really feel that this is making me feel better. So yeah, and this is something, I think you're super smart. So I think you spotted it on the spot. She knew that actually talking emotion, etc. is not gonna help. She needs to give me like things that are pragmatic, like structures, etc. Yes.
So one last question.
Yeah.
So Rola, what is it that you want to tell someone who's on the fence? He's sitting with a problem and just not doing anything about it.
I think he will. I mean, for me, I'm from those who actually feel the problem when there is a problem and immediately want to act upon it. Now, for someone who is not doing anything, I just want him to try, because there's nothing wrong in trying. So it's as if when you go to the doctor, you're not obliged to follow the advice, but actually you listen to it to digest it, and you see the echo of it.
Wow.
Hence there's nothing wrong in actually trying. The wrong is doing nothing about it. If you're not convinced that this is something that's going to help you, try it. Then either be more convinced that it's not going to help you, or be convinced on the opposite side. But doing nothing about it is not going to do you any better.
Thank you, Rola, for choosing me in this journey and giving me this opportunity to work with you. I'm really grateful to you.
I'm grateful as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.